2000 Ford F150 with the 5.4 V8 engine, and today we'll be replacing the camshaft positioning sensor. For this job, we'll be using the CarQuest part number 35 Charlie 1005 cam sensor for the replacement. Let's get to it. This job literally could not be easier. Go ahead, pop your hood, reach right here, remove that sensor, get yourself a flathead screwdriver, and we're just gonna pop this intake off right here. I don't know if we're actually gonna need to remove anything else. And with that, right here is your camshaft positioning sensor. Go ahead and unplug that by pressing down on the little tab right here and pulling straight out. And the bolt holding it in is an 8mm. Now, I don't think I'm gonna be able to find a way to keep my tripod up here, so I'll just have to watch from back here, I guess. Just gonna grab an 8mm gear wrench and go to town. Just need to break it loose, and I can do the rest with my fingertips. And sometimes getting these sensors out can be a pain. There it goes. And there's our old camshaft sensor. And we got a brand new sensor ready to go in. There it goes. Just going to start that bolt. Put it down as far as we can, pan tight, and finish it off with that 8mm gear wrench. Good. Go ahead, plug our connector back in. Install our air box. Don't forget to put your airflow sensor back in. As soon as I figure out where that went. There we go. And done. Easy day. If you'd like to see more videos on F-150s, go ahead and check out that video next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, this video helped you out. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See y'all next time.